Huh?
I'm about to go in the
Come on, we'll go do this right here. Come on.
Get them on. Keep it on center so I don't have to switch, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Get ready to take cover because this shit's about to get intense fast.
Yep.
Why are they running?
Alright. We'll find this dorm right here.
There we go. Are you ready, guys?
Here, I don't see anything. Come on, follow them. Yeah, watch rounds. Come here. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
What do you mean get out of the way? There's not really much to do. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm about to go over to that log right there that's got pretty much.
God damn it, get out of my line of fire! Whoa!
You see I'm filming.
Yeah, that's why I ducked. They're 12 o'clock right out.
That's what happens when you're getting
Joe, there's one right to your right.
Oh, big. There's one hanging out of the kill box.
Yeah. Hey guys, move up that way. There you go.
You got a bonsai charge him.
Yeah.
Coming in?
Yeah. All right, go, go.
Go!
Contact left. Come in the door. Open door. Hey, you got one right there in that doorway.
This guy's still in the bushes right there to your right side.
You got a contact right in the bushes. 12 meters. This is nuts.
They have one.
You're good, you're firing. We still got people in the bushes? There's like two. Yeah, I see him. There he is, take him out. Hold on, I think that's friendly, that's friendly.
That's friendly over there?
Is that friendly?
Nope, he's dead.
He's dead.
We run up to them, we give them cover fire so we can get to the next piece of wood.
Yeah.
Okay?
Guys,
gotta push
You
up.
guys need to move up to that one. We're going to give you guys some cover fire.
Give you covering fire.
Ready, go! Go, go, go!
Push it.
Clear out that bush! Got one. Tango 1 down.
One's down.
Clear that bush! Shit, watch out, incoming.
I'm gonna die.
No, stay right here, get behind here. Use your rifle like this, put it in your pocket, and pick it straight up and go around that corner.
Sure.
Yep. No, stay behind here, lean out with just your rifle. Is that bush clear? Alright, cover us. We're moving. Hey, sniper! You hit?
Oh, shit.
Where's that coming from? Is that coming from that tree?
Yeah.
Alright. No.
Turn back to the last game.
Hey, guy!
Done.
Game over. That was intense. I gotta see if Joe made it out. We'll see you guys later. Peace.